are you all? I hope you all are doing very well, and I appreciate those tuning into my channel all the time, liking, sharing, subscribing, hitting the notification icon. Thank you very much, because you've understood it's for free. And the ones who've newly joined here, welcome. Okay, please do like, share, and comment on my channel and tell me how do you like my content. Now, this is a general prediction for Aquarian, the Aquarius friends of mine, for June 2021. We are going to check on your overall energy, we're going to check on health, finances, relationship, and let's check overall message what you're receiving. Okay, so the overall June talks about the dream. Okay, for me, if I look at this card, look at this lady. She is looking from, like, her vision or her dream is talking about she being with her soulmate and meeting her soulmate kind of situation. Now, your dream and your vision could be anything, not necessarily romantically. It could be your work related, it could be finances, it could be career, it could be relationship with your dog even. It does not matter. But what I am trying to say is that if you are even thinking of getting into this energy of dreaming, then wake up. Wake up and create that dream. Execute it. Don't just sleep on it. Okay, just smell the coffee, wake up and talk real. Okay, just don't be in that dream mode. Number 6 could be significant for some of you, so that's, I'm putting it out there. For health, it talks about the tower moment. The tower moment, number 16, which totals up to number 7. Somebody needs a, like, real whack on the back. Okay, it's like that situation for me. Come on, get up, like, start eating healthy, exercise, meditate. That is what you need to do, my Aquarian friends, for this month. Enough of procrastination. Okay, you need to kick up your ass. All right, this is what I'm saying. In the month of June, just go for a walk. I know there's been lockdown. Walk in your house, do something, but just get up and be active. Take care of your health. You haven't been taking care of your health all along, and if you have not, this is your time. Go ahead and take care of your health. Okay, also for career, I see a lot of you are going through anxiety. Why? If things are not working out well for you, so be it. Get out of that mode, get out of that anxiety, get out of those nightmares and anxious mode of what is going to happen, how am I going to pay the bills. Everything will work out. There's an expiration date for everything, but human beings don't have an expiration date. Okay, we go on till the time, okay, this is the day we are going to die. Every day is a new beginning, so tomorrow is a new beginning. June 1st will be a new beginning for you, right? Number 9, it is a swords energy. Stop thinking over here too much. Get out of anxiety, get out of that mode. You will be able to pay your bills. Just work on solution. Do not work on what went wrong, work on what can be done. Okay, this is for you. And for romance, you have Prince of Winter. Again, sword energy. Okay, so it's like another fellow Aquarius, Libran, or Gemini coming all along your way. So there's a romantic juice happening, which is good for you, right? You're seeking out to so you need, in June and from June onwards, you need an intellectual partner, because you're an intellectual person. You need an intellectual partner, and that is what you are going to receive if you work on it, if you visualize on it, dream about it, and wake up and execute on your intellectual partner, right? You will be a little impulsive with all these social medias and all the swiping left and right, so take care of that situation as well. And be a little decisive rather than indecisiveness. But overall, it's not wrong. Just focus on what you really want. And I know that you need an intellectual partner, so focus on that. All right. Then angels' messages are saying big happy changes. There you go. Am I kidding you? There you go. The angels are saying there are big happy changes coming your way. So what are you worrying about? Stop it. Like, seriously, stop it. Like, stop it. Call me. Just kidding. Big happy changes are coming your way, my friends. Okay, look for this. Tap into this mode. Be positive. All right. And from the power of the love oracle, it talks about peacefulness. You need peace. You recognize that balance, kindness and love brings calmness to your soul. So you need to be in balance. You need to stay calm because that is what's there for your soul. I'll read that again for you. Put it in your head that you recognize that balance, kindness, and love brings calmness to your soul. Some of you, if you want to work with the crystal amethyst, go ahead and do that. That will help you calm down. And also the spirit guide messages that you see a lot of lilies around you. It's so beautiful. Joan of Arc. Google this, okay? Joan of Arc. She was amazing. She was the Joan of Arc. There's a movie also based on Joan of Arc. I think Mila Jovovich, some like that, her name is, this Russian actress. I think she's there in that movie. Watch that movie. It's a beautiful movie, okay? It talks about voice of truth, and this is all that she was known about. By bringing out your voice of truth, right? Stand strong. Focus on your purpose. Focus on your purpose. Do not deviate from your purpose. Release the fear of persecution. Oh my God, I'm blind. Release the fear of persecution and speak your truth. Speak your truth. Focus on your truth. Look at these beautiful flowers around you. Like, gift me some, man. I love them. Watch Joan of Arc if you do get an opportunity. They could be a message for you. I wish you all the best, my Aquarian friends. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay healthy till we meet again, and lots of love to you guys. Goodbye.